Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove AI feature on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you want of course, or whichever you have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see in the bottom right corner, we have spotlights where you can check out the videos that people post. We have your friends where you can check out all of your friends and what they are doing. And we have the three options which you can go and check out to photograph people, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how to remove my AI feature on Snapchat. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, as I already told you, open Snapchat, log into your profile and everything that has to be done in the very start. Then click on your profile and then click on out of all the options, click on the settings option. Then scroll to privacy controls and then select clear data. When you click clear data, go to clear conversations and then tap X next to my AI to remove it from your chat feed. And that's basically that, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.